Sump removal, and here we have really this oil sump, and this is nice Honda's engineering, and there is now 10mm bolts in all areas what we need to take out, and I start this my job in this corner area in here, and I open these bolts in here firstly, and let's look at how this job works. And there is this my area, and this is like first bolt in here, that one 10mm, and now I notice that I need longer spanner. Okay, and now I have longer extension. Okay, and this is, so now it opens. This was tight, and look, there is glue, and this is long bolt, first one, and then second is in here, and this is also long, and glue, locking glue in there. And then we go in here. This is free, and then next one, it is in that area. And these looks like to be similar size all. And then we go in that area. In here it is similar size, and in that area we have in here also similar size of bolt. Okay, and next area is in here. There is in this small area, in that area, 2 bolts, and similar size, and second is in here, similar size bolts. Good. Then this oil sump removal, we need now this big flathead screwdriver. And when I install this in here dents, that area, and when I bend that little bit, we can see that how this oil sump starts to move, and I do same thing in that another direction, that area, a little bit bend these things. And now oil sump is moving nicely. Okay, and now I can a little bit bend this cable and same time pull out, and now oil sump is free. And note this gasket and nice engineering this part. Okay, good.